Hi everyone, I hope your day is well. I'm going to walk through different services through the Alabama Department of Rehabilitation Services for students transitioning into what I like to call the adult world. So after high school, what is your student going to do next? Where to start? What kind of questions do you have? You can get this answered a lot within this website. So as soon as you get into the website, this is going to be your home page. There's a video about what Alabama Department of Rehabilitation Services does. And then we're going to scroll down. You see for individuals and families, for referral sources, for Alabama businesses. We want to go down into the Vocational Rehabilitation VRS job training. Once we click on that icon, there's then another short little video. It talks about what services are available. If you scroll down, you can see jobs, benefits and counseling, how to work. Here's transitions. Transition services are a coordinate set of activities that can assist youth with disabilities to successfully transition from high school to employment or post-secondary job opportunities. We can click here for even more information to how to get to someone, a phone number to call. We can email them directly right here. If we hit back here, there's just a lot of really awesome different services here and a lot of different ways to really look into and get started on this journey. Down here is what do they provide. We kind of already read over that. Who's eligible for the services? Anyone in Alabama, physical or mental impairment, must be benefit from service terms going to work. And then how do you get this? We can contact our local VRS office, and that's also something that you can do directly here when you click email us. The next thing I'm going to show you here is independent living. Lots of awesome, really cool resources, and like I said, just kind of getting the conversation starting on what happens after high school. So here's a video here. It goes in a little bit about what SAIL stands for. We can go down. It's the same thing. A thing I love about this website is that it's all set up almost the same kind of format. So you never have to really search for anything. It's different ways to continue on after high school. Same thing here. Who's eligible? How do I get these services? As a business, how can I get involved? Something that I love that one. And once again, you can just email, phone call, all right here. There's a lot of really cool stuff on this website, and other stuff to look into. I think this is a great website to start the conversation of what's going to happen after high school.